welcome to my channel, and here I'll be showing you how to construct an Archimedean spiral of two convolutions or two turns when we are given the greatest and the shortest radii. How to construct an Archimedean spiral of two convolutions or two turns when we are given the greatest and the shortest radii. Okay, so the greatest radius is 84 millimeters and the shortest radius is 12 millimeters. So let's see how this work can be done. So what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line, as you see it here. So we draw a horizontal line, and then we are also going to draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line, so like this. Okay, so the point of intersection of the two lines is the pole of the spiral. So we put O at this point. So the next thing that we are going to do is to take a measurement of 84 millimeters, which is the greatest radius, 84 millimeters. So we take 84 millimeters as the greatest radius. So then we put the midpoint here at point O, which is the pole of the spiral, and we draw a circle. So we draw a circle like this. So the circle is big. Okay, so that's circle. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So don't forget that we are making it two turns or two convolutions. So we need to divide into 12 equal parts, not 24 equal parts. So divide into 12 equal parts, that is the circle. So we divide like this. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and divide it to 12 equal parts because I believe that you can do that. So I divided the circle into 12 equal parts, and I'm going to number the points. So I will call this point 0, and at the same time I will call it point B. So I'll call it point B here like this. So it's point 0 and also point B. So this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, this is 4 on the circle, this is 5, so this is point 6, this is 7, this is 8, so this is point 9, so this is 10, and this is 11. Now, having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take a measurement of the shortest radius, which is 12 millimeters. So from point O here, which is the pole of the spiral, we take 12 millimeters. So we take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. This is 12 millimeters. Okay. So this point we call it point A. This is point A. Okay. Then, if you look at the distance from here to here, that is distance AB is 72 millimeters. So this distance, 72 millimeters, we are going to divide it into 24 equal parts. Because we are making it two turns. So the first 12 will give us the first turn, and the second 12 will give us the second turn. So don't forget it's two convolutions. So distance from here to here, as I said, is 72 millimeters. So we are going to divide 72 by 12, and that will give us 3 millimeters each. So I'm going to pause the video and do the division. Then when I'm done, I will come back and show you the next thing to do. Alright, welcome back to my channel. And here I've divided the distance AB, which is 72 millimeters. I divided it into 24 equal parts, and I numbered as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Then we end it here as 24, though I didn't write that. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to take a compass. So we put at point O here, and we extend to point 1 on the line, so which is before 2. Then we draw an arc here to meet line 1. Then we extend to 2. Okay, we extend to 2. Then we draw an arc to meet line 2 here. Then we extend to 3. So we draw an arc to meet line 3. Then we extend to 4. So we draw an arc to meet line 4 here. So we extend to 5. Okay, so we draw an arc and it meets line 5 at this point. We extend to 6. We extend to 6 and it meets line 6. We draw an arc to meet line 6 at this point. We extend to 7. So we draw an arc and it meets line 7 at this point. So we extend to 8 and we draw an arc. So to meet line 8 at this point. Yeah. So we extend it to 9 and we draw an arc and it meets line 9 at this point. It meets 9 at this point. So we extend it to 10 and we draw an arc and it goes like this and meet 10 at this point. Then we extend to 11, yeah, and we draw an arc and it meets 11 at this point. So we stop it here. So that is for the first convolution. So for that convolution, so it will, by the time we draw it, it will end here at point 12 here. At point 12 here. So then we have this point 11. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 8, so this is 7, so this is 6, this is 5, so this is 4, so this is 3, so here is 2, here is 1, and it will end here. Okay, so we start from here and we go around. So by the time we end it here, that is the first convolution or first term. So now for the second term or for the second convolution, so we put it at this point O here, which is the pole of the spiral. We extend it to 13. We extend it to 13. So we extend it to 13. So when we extend it to 13 here, so we draw an arc, so it will touch line 1 at this point here. Touch line 1 at this point. We extend to 14 and we move it, draw an arc, meet line 2 at this point. We extend it to 15. So when we extend to 15, we draw an arc and it meet line 3 at this point. We extend to 16 and we draw an arc here. So here we draw an arc and it goes like this, meeting 4 at this point. We extend to 17 and we draw an arc, it meets 5 at this point. We extend to 18, okay, extend to 18 and we draw an arc, it meets 6 at this point. So we extend it to 19 and to 19 and we draw an arc. So it goes like this and it meets 7 at this point. So it's becoming large. So we extend to 20, we extend to 20 and we draw an arc, it goes like this and it meets 8 at this point here. Then we extend it, so we extend it to 21, so we draw an arc from here and it goes like this and then it meets 9 at this point. So we extend it to 22, so we draw an arc, so it goes like this and it meets 10 at this point. So we extend to 23, which is the last one. So we draw an arc from here and it goes like this and it will meet 11 at this point here. So it meets 11 at this point. Okay, so we are going to end it here at this point 24, which is also point O here, point 0. So we have this point, we have this point here, then we have what? We have this point on 10, so we have this point on 9, we have this point on 8, this point on 7, this point on 6, this point on 5, we have this point on 4, we have this point on 3, so we have this point on 2, and we have this point on 1. So we are going to start the second term from point 12 here and it goes round and end here. So let's take our French curve and start to get the curve. So if I set my French curve like this, okay, so let me use this part. So if I set my French curve like this, so I'll be joining these 2 points together. So starting from point A, so start like this. So then if I put this together, I should be able to join these 3 points. So these 3 points, I will join them together like this. Okay, so then so going like this, okay, so I still need to make use of this. So if I can join these 3 points, these 2 points, let me start with these 2 points. So let me see this. So these 2 points, I will join them together, so like this. Okay, then so looking at this, I can join these 2 points together like this. Then so these 2 points, I can join them together smoothly. Okay, then these 3 points, I will join them together like this. Okay, then so this point, so these 3 points, I can join them together. Okay, all right. So then we move on to so these 2 points. So these 2 points, I can join them together like this. Then so I join again to this point here. So for this one, this is the first convolution. This is the first convolution. So then the next one, the second convolution, will start again from 12. So from 12, so I can join these 3 points together like this. Okay, then going like this, so I can join these 3 points together like this. Okay, so then so going like this, okay, let me join these 2 points together. Okay, so I can join these 2 points together. So let me see if I can join these 3 points together. Okay, so let me join 2. So that will be more smoother. Okay, so then looking at this, so I can join, let me just join 2. So I can join these 2 points together like this. So then, so these 2 points, I can join them together like this. Then also, so these 2 points, I can join them together like this. Okay, then so these 2 points here, so these 2 points, so I can join them together like this. Then so coming here like this, so I can join these 2 points together. Then so we end it here, so we join this together like this. Alright, so this is how the spiral will look for 2 convolution or 2 turns. So don't forget that the first turn starts from this point A, which is the end of the shortest radius, and it goes round like this and it ends here at 12. So the second turn we start from 12 and it goes round like this and end here. So this is how to construct an Archimedean spiral of 2 convolutions or 2 turns. As simple as I've done it here. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.